Hello everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to to XRP once again. Thank you support. Okay, bigger the CoinsKid crew. So that's short that we jumped into the other day. It's actually come down and met a target. It's a beautiful little trade, around about 5% short opportunity right there. And this is what I try and do: find a little micro trades and obviously the macro trades going forward. So I'm starting to see a lot of analysts catch up to this potential breakout for XRP right now. So I'll go through that with you in today's video. But what I want to show you is how I find these altcoins that I keep posting in Discord that keep absolutely bolting. Really simple process. I'll go through it with you, but this particular coin that I did post, I think it was the 2nd of March, just around about 8 days ago, Streamcoin STRM broke down in September 2023 and has not yet come up for the God candle back test. So look at that. This is absolutely bolted. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I found this and why I was looking at this opportunity in the video. So let's dive in. Okay, so looking at CoinsKid.com, we go to the bullish section. You clearly see there's one standout coin at the moment, isn't it? XRP. Look at that, XRP. Why does it stand out? Because everything else is red on the macro greed and yellow, and XRP is still grey. And I did relay this to you quite recently. This is one of the confluencing factors, given the macro data that I'm looking at, that XRP is about to play catch up here. So it's not bullshit, it's not opium. Providing we hold that January low, XRP could compressing for a massive expansion to the upside. So whether or not there's some positive news coming or whatever, I don't know, but XRP could be about to explode. This is why I'm trying to find the optimal entry points for you. Now, the other day I did give you a buyback zone at 55 cents. I gave you another buyback zone at 58 cents. That target's been met. So we could have had the correction. So I'm looking at a possibility today with you that we have had the ABC wave 2 correction, and right now we're compressing for expansion to the upside. So it could come relatively swiftly. We'll look at that today. At the minute, I think that XRP's for buying, not necessarily for crying. Like I said to you, we've got 5 waves up since the January low right there. So for me, I'm a buyer, not a crier. And I think we've got a clue. You know, the fact that the market is absolutely really taking off and XRP is just crabbing is, in my opinion, an opportunity. So we're doing incredibly well on XRP against herd mentality. You know, we've been buying the dips and selling the rips, and we've been doing incredibly well on this channel for XRP. Okay, so I'll dive into the chart in a moment, but I want to show you how, using CoinsKid.com, we find opportunities in this market. You know, because like I've always said to you, if you're looking to make money in this space, okay, XRP may break our highs, but from this point, it's not really that great appreciation, is it? What we do look for is other opportunities, and this is what I do find on the channel for you. So, you know, this particular section I'm going to show you on CoinsKid.com, the bearish coins, is where you find the opportunity in this market. Let's dive in, okay? So going down the list, and it's the same, you know, principle that I was looking at that STRM the other day for the CoinsKid crew, just looking at this list, and what we've got right now is a coin that's standing out to me. So in the bearish section, we've got these coins here. Now I am updating this list, okay? I'm going to refine this list and get some more coins added as well with the opportunities going forward. But down this list, macro greed, going down, we can see that one coin stands out to me straight away. It's in the green zone, so I think this is a lovely little opportunity. This is DFI, okay? Current market cap is 84 million, so it's a real low cap. If we click on the chart, can we identify anything in the chart? So if we click on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see we're coming down. We've got this little channel at the moment for this particular coin. Let me get rid of the RSI for you. We've got this channel, haven't we? We just keep adhering to. It's getting really compressed down there. Now, one thing that I think increases the probability of this little breakout for this coin will be possibly a little falling wedge right there. One thing that will be is simple: a close above that 20-week EMA and getting your ass back up with this level of resistance. So possibly some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, a little bump and run pattern. Breakout back test. See you later. We'll come back up. So this is your point of resistance. But I do think that this has a chance to run to this God candle back test. Okay, really simple. Same process that I've identified in that STRM chart and many other charts over, you know, a long period of time. What we're looking at is a run basically to this target just there at roughly 0.4495. So I've actually buy a bag of this after this video and just forget I've got it, because from this point right now, if it does start to come back up, I'm looking at around about 353% appreciation on my bag right there. So I think you can buy some Qcoin and Mexi. The links are in the video description. And again, nothing I say is financial advice. We may have a little tightening range here, falling wedge, a little bump and run pattern on the weekly, breakout back test, see you later. And again, a close up of a weekly 20 EMA on this particular chart will increase the probability of that run right there. And that again is just something you could actually wait for your entry point. But for me, I like to buy the blood. I like to buy the 5 waves down, like I said to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 wave counter, look at that. Possibly some kind of reversal coming up here. If this does start to come back up, I'm looking at that target, a minimal God candle back test without breaking back up into resistance. Look at that. Lost support. See you later. Slowly but surely coming back up. So 0.44957. I'll sell some of this at that point, okay? So let's dive into the SLP chart right now and see what we can see, okay? So quickly before I do dive into the XRP chart, I just want to show you this little indicator that I created for yourselves. Basically, it's the CKR. You can get this on CoinsKid.com. Go to the CKR section. Basically, a CoinsKid rating system. It's a little score that I give basically the market. So at the moment we're sitting on 72. We've got the greed at 82, the CBI at 81, RSI 76, retail at sort of mid part right there 49, and the price cycle top is sitting at 67, and the EMA, which I think is a really important indicator. I think that coupled with that being at 100 and the CKR at 100, for me, I'll walk away from Bitcoin and think about walking away from XRP as well as that point. So until then, I think that in this crypto market, given the data, the setup, the technicals, the fact that we're trending above so many levels right there and moving averages and things like that, we just have to respect the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. So technically we're bullish, and even for XRP, as though it's hard to believe, we're actually trending above key EMAs and daily moving averages right now. So I'll go through them with you, but at the minute what I'm looking for to tell me without the price action is just data. So I'm looking at this indicators right here, the CKR being at 100 dark green, and the EMA especially being at dark green as well. Now the retail, which is what a lot of people rely on, I've coded into this right now, they expect retail to get to 100 and that's it, walk away. But the retail is a lagging indicator, please remember that. Okay, so I'm looking for the earliest indication in this market to get out when I can. Okay, I think the retail being at 100, it will actually be a lagging indicator. So at the moment you can clearly see CBI, pi cycle, the CKR and greed are trending upwards. So the trend is your friend until the end, until we start to see some kind of pullback and trending down. At the moment we just got to respect the trend, haven't we, and rely on data going forward. So let's dive into the XRP chart and see what we can see. Okay, so taking a look at XRP on the hourly time frame, I think at the moment we are still caught in the chop of a correction basically. So this is why we're not seeing a big move from XRP catching up the market just yet, because we are simply just caught between this 5-wave move up, this peak resistance we hit last week, and this pivot low, this green line. So inside of all this, it's just corrective basically, and we're looking for the correction to hold and then go again. And I think if we start to see XRP take out that pivot point there, super bullish, wave 3 vertical in the charts, we lose this green line, I'm out, and this is something I relay to you. So in the meantime, I will try and find a little micro moves. For example, here we've got a lovely little micro rising wedge that we traded, went short on this channel, boom boom boom, come all the way down, met the technical target. Always pay yourself, because again, if you're away from the charts or whatever, you're not looking at your trade, it's bounced like an absolute boss off the target and come up, and right now you're sitting in not as much profit as you would have been if you'd have put your TP at the technical target of a pattern. And this is something I do relay in the channel. So we've got a rising wedge, breakdown, back test, met the target, pay yourself basically. Lovely little short up. So in the meantime, I would just kick back, relax, and if I do see any more patterns emerge, trades, long, short, whatever, I will jump into them and relay them in the Discord right there, or obviously in the videos as quickly as I can get them out right there. So in the meantime, I think that we're caught in a correction basically, and I'm looking for this green line to hold and any draw back down to it, shake people out, looking for that pivot low to hold from January, and then eventually take that out. Okay, and the reason I'm looking at that, simple, the 5 waves up. So at the minute we're caught in some kind of correction. I wish everyone the most luck. I have posted my targets of this correction in previous videos and equally in the Discord right there. Hope you enjoyed that update. Thank you for support, thank you for liking the video, and thank you for subscription on YouTube. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.